Hello guys, what's up? I am Samarpan Dasgupta back again with new tutorial. In this video, we are going to start a mobile app development series through Flutter from scratch. We will start from the very easy topics and slowly we will move to the complex topics. In this tutorial series, we will make some apps and deploy some of these apps in the Play Store as well. You don't have to need any knowledge of Flutter to learn through that tutorial. We will start from the scratch and we will move to the complex topics step by step. But before jump to the code setup part and coding part, let's first know about a bit of Flutter. So let's know the fact that Flutter is invented in 2017, approximately in May. But the question is around the mind for every beginners. Why the use of Flutter? Why we should learn Flutter? What's in it? So let's find out that question. Before 2017, to develop apps in Android and iOS, there is different code base and different programming languages. So before 2017, for developing Android apps, we use Java or Kotlin, and for iOS apps, we use Objective-C or Swift. So what's the problem in there? The problem is that developing apps in that different code base taking a lot of time and a lot of effort. So obviously the cost is very high. So here Flutter comes into the picture. So what Flutter does, it gives you a single code base to develop both Android and iOS apps. So here's the beauty of Flutter. You have to write code for once and the code is ready for Android and iOS. But that's it. There is many more Flutter advantage. There is many more Flutter advantage than a single code base benefit. Before 2017, especially on the Android part, if you change something in the code and if you want to see the changes immediately, you can't do it. You have to run the project from the scratch, then you can see the changes. Here Flutter comes with a new picture. So what Flutter does, Flutter introduced two concepts, hot reload and hot restart. So what is that? Hot reload is just like when you changes something in your code and if you want to see the changes, you have to click one button or press a command, then the changes will be shown in your emulator or in your phone within seconds. And what is a hot restart? Sometimes in the changes of the code not done by clicking a single command or saving the coding file. So in that case you have to hot restart the project. So what it does, it not terminate the project, it actually switch to the project to the splash screen or the initial part of the app and it will take the changes. So hot restart is the superset of hot reload. You can relate in that way as well. So beside that, there is advantage of Flutter of built-in widget. So in Flutter, when you going to explore, you will see there is a lots of widget to explore and that's the built-in widget. So you don't have to write code from the scratch to build the widget, and through that widget Flutter app development makes a huge fast, and that's the biggest win of Flutter in hybrid app development, where you can make code that run in both Android and iOS. Besides that, Flutter give you the beautifulness of widget and state management. I don't brief about the state management right now. We will learn it later throughout the course. And after that, there is the facility of Dart programming language. And Dart programming language is a C-type programming language, so you don't have to learn Dart programming language to learn Flutter. When we learn Flutter, you will automatically learn Dart programming language, and that's the biggest benefit. Apart from that, there is many more advantages, but we can't discuss all of the things right now because that will be some hits of concept. Besides that, there is lot of advantage in the Flutter, but we will learn it practically when we go through in other videos as well, because learning all the things in a single video is not possible because Flutter is a huge library. So we will learn many more advantages when we make projects and deploy it to the Play Store and above all. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. New video of this series is coming very soon. So see you in the next video. Stay happy. Bye.